This week we're going to learn how to make the perfect Portuguese scalloped potatoes. I'm Marque da Silva. Hi, welcome to Living the Silva Loca. If it's your first time here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button. I think it's here or up here, so that you can be notified when I post new videos. Today we're making a Portuguese scalloped potatoes, and it's the perfect dish that you can side with fish, poultry, you can have it with a salad, and it's a fantastic recipe, so I'm very excited to be doing this today. So let's see how to make this Portuguese scalloped potatoes.
For this recipe, you need 3 pounds of small potatoes. I use all 3 different potatoes, the yellow potatoes, the white sweet potato, as well as the white fresh vegetable potatoes. The potatoes need to be sliced very thinly. I also added mushrooms to mine because there is no meat in this recipe. For the cooking, the potatoes need to be boiled or parboiled in a little bit of salt for about 10 minutes, drained and set aside. The potatoes have to be thinly sliced so that they may cook faster, and don't overcook or they will fall apart. You would prepare the onion and garlic in a medium heavy skillet with 2 tablespoons of olive oil for about 5 minutes. After this, I just mix everything in like a shallow fry pan or saucepan for 5 minutes. Grease a medium container, like in my case I used a Pirate's dish, with some olive oil and begin layering. First what I did was I layered the white potatoes at the bottom, I added some cheese, then I layered the sweet white potato, and then I added some more cheese, the mushrooms, and then I added the red potatoes to top it off for that crunch. I added, you can add onions of course, but I added more cheese. To top it off, you just finish the remaining layer by adding salt, pepper, and the rest of the cheese.
If you like the video so far, please leave your comments below. Our up close segment this week, we're featuring Portugal. Before we roll the video, if you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscription button below. And thank you so much to everyone who has subscribed so far. I really appreciate it. Also, I'm trying to support local businesses. Every week, I will do a shout out to one of my favorite local hangouts or store that I go to. And this week, I want to feature Olympic cheese. Place to get the best cheese, and they're so awesome. I will post the link below for all my local viewers and you can check it out. For about like 1 hour, so let's see the finished product. Really hope you like this recipe this week. If you want to watch another video that is similar, there is going to be one right here that's recommended by YouTube. That's it for this week. Come back next week. Que a chuva deste céu se deite no teu chão, deixando o carimbo. Teu verde lindo, teu verde lindo.